right, kindergartners. Now, today you are going to edit what you wrote. Now, before you wrote for 15 minutes, you did a fantastic job. And now it's time to use your writing checklist that Mrs. St. Andre has right here and look at your writing. So let me zoom really close into my writing. I don't even need to see my picture and my labels right now. So what I need to do is here on my writing checklist, I have to use a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. So I'm going to double check, and when I edit, I'm going to read what I wrote. So yep, perfect capital, love you because you are my mom. And there is the period, which means I'm starting a new sentence, so I'm starting with a capital. There we go. When I know the word I is always a capital, so I'm going to just go ahead and fix. I'm going to erase right here, and I'm going to fix it right there. There we go. When I was a kid, you said nice things. Thank you, Mom. All right, I did a really good job. I was really good at my capitals. I just had one mistake. That's okay, I fixed it. All right, my next thing I'm going to do on my writing checklist is I'm going to use finger spaces. So let me double check, and I need to reread as I'm checking my work to see if I have any mistakes. Okay. I love you because you are. Those are two different words. You are my mom. When I was, all right, that's a little close, but I can still see that they're different. So it's gonna be okay. I was a kid. Oh, a kid. Oh, I gotta erase that. Oh, maybe I can put a up here. Let's see. When I was a kid, you said nice things. Thank you, Mom. All right, I did really good with my finger spacing too, so I'm going to give my brain a kiss. All right, now, did I use end punctuation? So do I have an exclamation or a question or a period? So let's find out. Let's see. Remember, you have to reread what you wrote. I love you because you are my mom. Period. Yep. When I was a kid, you said nice things. Period. Good job. Thank you, Mom. And I put an exclamation because I want to read that with like a lot of feeling like this. Thank you, Mom. All right, I did a good job. All right, let's see. Use wall word to spell words. Now, if you were in your kindergarten classroom, your teacher would have words up in the classroom on her wall word. But maybe you don't have that at home. But you know what you probably have is you probably have your ball words. So you can double check with this list of words to see if you have them spelled right. Now, if you are already on your ball words and you are on to soccer words or football words, you can make sure all of the words are spelled right. And if you are not on the ball word program, that's okay. You can make sure your benchmark words, the words that we've learned in benchmark so far, are spelled right. All right, so I'm kind of going to go ahead and I'm looking on my list and I'm looking to see, and I know that I didn't use the word you because I have it up here as a word, and then here it is on my wall, on my baseball words. Y-O-U is how you spell you. So I'm going to go ahead and fix that. And I have that written a couple times. Y-O-U. Oh, that's going to make it a little bit hard to get my finger spacing in. Let's see. I know I use that word again. Here, you. And I can erase it, but sometimes I can't erase. Sometimes there won't be enough space. So if I'm not going to have enough space, I can just cross it out and write it on top of it. Y-O-U. you. Right there. See? You said nice things. Yep, I did it again here. So I'm going to just put a line through it and write it on top. Y-O-U. Okay, good job. Let's see. Now there's a couple other words that are on my word wall, on my ball word, like the word said. This is not the word said, right? I love you, Mom, because you are my mom. When I was a kid, you said. Now that I see it on my baseball words, I'm going to cross that out and say said. Said. Let's see. Do I have any other words spelled wrong? Was. There's was. Okay, so I'm going to cross that one out. And I'm going to rewrite it. Was. All right, let me read what I have so far. I love you because you are my mom. When I was a kid, you said nice things. Thank you, Mom. Okay, there we go. I'm all done my editing. I did a great job. I checked for my capitals. I checked for my finger spacing, my punctuation, and my word wall. Now remember, if you don't have a word wall at home, you can always use your ball words that you have been practicing. So have an awesome Osprey Day. Happy editing.